sweet moments with my grandson. He is back from school. So I'm embracing him while watching TV, listening to the song of Jerome Averdome, like Elvis Presley, my favorite. There is my grandson. He's so cute. He's so sweet. I love you, Gael. Love you, Gael. I'll take the photo of Jerome singing. He's my favorite singer. There is Jerome singing on the TV. I like his voice very much. That's Jerome. I love his voice very much. There you go. Oh my God. Beautiful voice.
Oh my goodness.
There's my grandson Gael.
I think you would love singing.
I love my grandson
How long have you been singing
Gael.
Elvis for?
There he is.
Only 5 years. Incredible. Okay, what's the next song you're going to be singing?
It just goes to show you Filipinos are incredible.
I know.
Say hello.
And we have the right,
Hello
we have the right
everyone.
diction too.
Yes, I'm blown away. You barely breathe and so much sound and tone comes out.
Hello guys. There
You
is
should have a
Gael.
jumpsuit.
He's hiding. He's shy.
Yes.
Douglas
Good
Masuda.
morning,
What's the next song?
You have a jumpsuit? You
guys.
deserve one. Anyway, in January we're gonna have you here.
Enjoying watching
Okay.
this.
Deal, huh? Deal. Yes, deal. Okay, what's your next song?
Here in Isabela. I'm just done with my exercise sit-up. I was able to do 150 sit-up. Oh, I'm very happy. I will do my stretching later. I'm still watching this singer. I love him very much. There is Gael. Hello,
Okay, one night first, then
Gael.
wait.
There is my grandson.
The girl of my best friend.
Ah, the girl of my best friend.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Hello, Gael.
Let's do it. The girl of my best friend. Jerome.
Hey. There's again another song of Jerome.
Play, James.
Hey guys, go and have my late breakfast again. What time is it now? It's almost 10 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Bye guys.